In this video, I'm going to show you how to build AI agents using DeepSeek in 2025. Start by logging in to your DeepSeek account and typing a prompt like create an AI agent for customer support or any task you want your agent to handle. Provide details such as the agent's purpose, tone, personality, and the type of questions or task should manage. You can also upload documents like FAQs or guides so the agent can learn specific information and respond accurately. DeepSeek will generate the agent's conversation flow, sample responses, and behavior guidelines. If you want improvements, just ask it to make the tone more friendly, formal, concise, or task specific. Once satisfied, follow DeepSeek's instructions for integration your agent into websites, apps, or chat platforms. And that's it.